Are you experiencing hair fall, meaning large amounts of hair fall while you are combing your hair, washing your hair, and even on your pillow? Is this upsetting you and making you lose your self-confidence? Do not worry, Glowjust has a solution for you. Now, many causes of hair fall, mainly genetics, hormonal imbalance, stress induced, lack of sleep, and lack of exercise. We at Glowjust offer a free consultation and a hair assessment using a folliscope. After the assessment, Dr. Jasri will curate a treatment protocol best suited for your hair problem. Among the treatments available here is hair loss protocol and also hair regrowth treatment. This helps you regain the dense hair that you've always been wanting, prevent further hair loss, and improve your self-confidence. We have had great feedback from all our customers undergoing our hair loss program. So if you are having hair fall, you know that we have the best and most effective solution for your hair loss problem. Be rest assured, Glowjust is your trusted hair center.